Good morning. It's a great day for learning with Hamburg Middle School. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated for the morning announcements.
Good morning, Hamburg Middle School. Hope everybody's doing well today. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. It's a day 2. The answer from yesterday's library trivia question was Alice, as in Alice in Wonderland. Today's question is this. Sticking with our poetry theme, name the famous author and poet of books such as Where the Sidewalk Ends, Falling Up, A Light in the Attic, and The Giving Tree. Who is this poet? If you know the answer, email Mrs. Mulbert today. This question I thought was a great one. It reminded me of being in 4th grade when my teacher, Mrs. Bott, would read to us poems from this author's work. One of the poems that I looked up, I didn't quite remember it until I read the whole thing, was called The Homework Machine, but I do recall that we loved it. So here goes. It's short. Bear with me. The homework machine, oh the homework machine, most perfect contraption that's ever been seen. Just put in your homework, then drop in a dime, snap on the switch, and in 10 seconds time, your homework comes out, quick and clean as can be. Here it is, 9 plus 4, and the answer is 3. 3? Oh me, I guess it's not as perfect as I thought it would be. I remember this series of poems and the series of books from this author as being poems that were really accessible to us as kids, and it taught us that poems didn't have to necessarily be really, really lengthy, and that it was something that we could try to model our own writing after, which was pretty neat, and I remember the whole class getting into it. So again, if you know the author of that poem and many others, send that in to Mrs. Mulbert today. Yesterday's riddle was this. Someone's mother has 5 kids, April, May, June, and July. Name the 5th kid. And the answer was someone. If you remember, the riddle started off as someone's mother has 5 kids, and then lists the months as the names of the first 4 kids. Boston Valley's riddle from yesterday was this. How do you stop a baby from crying? The answer, you rock it. I think that was one of our jokes from earlier in the week. I'm trying to distinguish between what a joke, if there's a difference between joke and riddle. I don't think there is one often, but in any case, we're going to move forward. Here's our riddle for today. If a red house is made of red bricks and a yellow house is made of yellow bricks, what is a green house made of? Again, if a red house is made of red bricks and a yellow house is made of yellow bricks, what is a green house made of? We'll have the answer for you tomorrow. We'll post this to Twitter as well, and you can answer that one if you wish. A reminder, something we mentioned yesterday, meal distribution is moving to 3 days a week. It will now be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Same times, though, between 4:30 and 6 at the high school bus circle. If you need a form to take part in this meal distribution, you can get it from the district website, or you can contact me and I'll email you a copy as well. Another reminder, students who were to be inducted into the National Junior Honor Society, that was supposed to be this evening, please make sure you check your Gmail for a message from Mrs. Jamerick and Ms. Klein. To all our students, I want to thank you for working on the assignments that you're being given by your teachers. Keep in mind, reach out to them with questions, or you can talk to counselors or myself as well. And another repeat, if you're having any issues getting online or accessing your learning assignments from your teachers, please make sure you contact me, and we'll try to, we'll do everything we can to try to solve that problem. Last thing for today is this, our joke of the day. What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? The answer, aye, matey. Have a tremendous Tuesday, everyone, and ask yourself, how can you be an 11 today? Take care, everybody.